Hello there, this video is about a novel tooth that I've developed that is used to teach how to place composite resin restorations. Unlike regular dentiform teeth, composite resin doesn't stick to it, and it also has similar light transmission to a natural tooth. The tooth comes in two halves that fit together, and it just snaps into a dentiform. No screws required. It doesn't matter if you use a bonding agent, the composite resin will not stick to the tooth. After air drying the bonding agent and light curing it, we're now ready to fill the cavity. You can use this tooth to demonstrate incremental filling and light curing, or bulk filling. It's your choice. When you've finished filling and contouring the restoration, you're now ready to light cure. You can use the mold to demonstrate differences between different curing lights, angles, or technique. Because once you finish light curing, you can then open up the mold and easily take the restoration out. When you've taken the restoration out, you can inspect how well you filled the cavity. You can look for voids, or even where the composite wasn't properly cured. I find a good way to demonstrate what has been cured and what has not been cured properly is to place the restoration into acetone for 15 minutes. This then clearly shows the difference between the well-cured material and the material that has not been cured so well, because the partially cured material has a frosty appearance. Here we can see some examples of composites that have not been cured so well. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me.